Hey everyone, and welcome back to beginning a sourdough starter from scratch. So let's take a look at where we're at after the first day. You can see a lot of bubbles, a lot of activity, and we're just going to continue on. So got the jar, got some flour, got some water, and I got my scale. What I'm going to do is I'm going to zero out the scale and do exactly what I did on day one, and that's just add 4 ounces of flour and 4 ounces of water. Now if you use something other than 4 ounces, just go with whatever you did on day one. Just make sure that it's equal parts flour and water. Now you might see that I went slightly over 4 ounces on this. It was actually 4.1, but I think it's going to be just fine. I think it might be, 4.05, but nonetheless, so we're going to move forward. Just going to start adding the water and just, again, equal parts, both flour and water. Now what we're going to do is just give it a quick stir, again, just to hydrate the flour that we've added with the water, and we want to mix in that beginning starter culture that we're forming from day one and mix that into the new batch. I'm just scraping off all the little bits back into the jar. And that's it. That's it for day 2. We're just going to repeat this a few more times throughout the week. And be sure to just keep this somewhere room temperature, out of the way, like a cupboard. Be sure to check in tomorrow where we go into day 3.